Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grub app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Grub app and we click here in this window. In this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. Then you will search about Grub, as you see, and you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.